Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to fix this code stuck on checking for updates. So, if you open this code and it gives you the checking for updates and it never ends no matter what you do, the first thing that you can do is to just open the start menu and search for network connections. As you see from here, you can click on this and now you need to choose your Wi-Fi. You can right click it and go to properties. From here, you need to find the IPv4, as see from here. You need to click on properties, and now you need to click on use the following DNS server address instead of obtain address automatically. And you need to write 88888844. Hit on OK and then hit on close. So this is the first thing that you can do. So most of the time this is a network error, so you may actually need to check your router and check your network settings. So the next thing that we are going to do is to open CMD or command prompt. You need to open it, and after that you need to write ipconfig slash flush DNS. Hit on enter, and now it will tell you that successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Also, if you are still having the issue, you may need to actually delete or uninstall this code. After that, you can install it again with the latest update. So now, if it has an update and can't actually update your this code, you will have the latest version, so there's no problem with the actual app, and now you won't have any bug with the actual app. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.